Welcome to the Master Barbershop. A lot of people are getting in touch with me to do a few more lessons. So this is going to be a quick lesson on how to do a zero skin fade.
First impression.
Look at that. I'm going to start from the back and work my way to the sides. No guards. This is a lesson for no guards. Put your machine tight to the neck and bring it out. Tight to the neck and bring it out. I'm going to bring this in a straight line. Level on the back, now I'm going to come up on the sides. When you're doing your skin fade, don't come too high with your 0.5 because you need room to blend in. Start blending this in now with my comb. Open or close your machine, it doesn't really matter. I'm going to open it. I like to start in the back and then work my way to the sides. It's up to you where you start. I like to start in the back.
Engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the high road and
when you're flicking your line out, open your machine. More or less done now. No clips were used. Now let's start blending in with the scissors. And see how clean it is when you don't use clips. When I say don't use clips, I mean these. None of these are used. This is the haircut done without clips, machine over comb. Follow us on YouTube and subscribe.